guys, welcome to our channel Supervising Shell Reloaded.
So guys, Supervising Shell Reloaded is not just another beauty or fashion channel,
but a fully loaded shell of easy beauty hacks, amazing fashion DIYs and a lot more super cute and trendy stuff.
Friends, beauty doesn't limit to skincare or hair care, but it's full body care, right?
Right, and today we are gonna try what amazing wonders can a lemon do for a body care. So friends, before moving further, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the upcoming videos. And friends, if you find this video interesting, then don't forget to hit that like button, and you can also chat with us by dropping your comments below. Take a bowl, put 1 tablespoon ground flour, 1 tablespoon curd, and squeeze half a lemon into it. Now mix the mixture well and your paste is ready. Take the mixture and rub it on your dark body parts. Here I am rubbing it on my elbows. Rub it in a circular motion. Here ground flour helps in removal of dead skin, and the combination of curd and lemon will help you in skin lightening. Let the mixture rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then wipe it off using a wet cloth. For better results, you can use this process for twice a week. And it's done.
For lip scrub, you need some sugar and a lemon. Make sure your lips are clean. Now, just dip the lemon into the sugar, like so, and scrub it all over your lips. Now here, lemon helps you to get rid of dark lips and sugar helps in exfoliation. Keep scrubbing for like 5 to 7 minutes in circular motion and then just wipe it off using a wet cloth. Use this process for like twice a week for visible results. And here you get your luscious lips.
Take 2-3 tablespoons of coconut oil and squeeze half a lemon into it. You can also take the proportions of lemon and coconut oil according to your hair length. Now just mix it well as shown. So now when our oil is ready, apply it into your roots one by one as shown. Here, coconut oil helps in greasing your scalp, whereas lemon helps in getting you rid of all the dandruff. This oil is very useful. For best results, you can use it twice a week. Massage it nicely and then secure your hairs in a loose bun. After tying a bun, leave it on for at least 30 minutes. And after that, wash it off with normal water. And the results are worth watching. and it's done. And the combination of lemon plus coconut oil will also help you to regain shine in your hairs.
Take a bowl, add half tablespoon of baking soda into it. And some drops of lemon. And give it a nice mix. As our mixture is ready, now take a brush and put the mixture on it. Brush it all over your teeth. Here, baking soda removes the plaque and lemon fights the bacteria. After 5 to 10 minutes, rinse your mouth with fresh water. And here you are, with those sparkling white teeth.
Eesh, so smell. No. Yeah, lemon is the savior. Just rub half a lemon under your arms in a circular motion. Lemon helps to fight bacteria and gets you rid of body odor. Now just let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with fresh water. And here you go, no smell. Take some hot water in a tub and add some bleaching powder into it. Now squeeze half a lemon into it and mix it well. Now dip your feet into the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This combination will help you to get rid of tan and dirt and also give shine to your feet. You can also use a pumic stone to scrub your feet. It will help you to get rid of dead skin.
Oof, it's too hot, yeah. A lemonade. Let's beat this heat with a lemonade. Lemonade works best to hydrate your body. Wanna have some?